Okay. Hello, and it's welcome to Randomness with Andy and Elaine. I do random items and she does randomness. Okay, my random stuff are today are three special guests. Where is it? Oh yeah, okay. We have Barry. You have Elephant, guys. You said Elephant, guys? It's a berry! Yeah. Because it likes to eat bears. Okay, this is Bear. This is Elephant. And this is Barry, and he is really cool. This is Monkey. He likes long walks on the beach, you know. So, and this is Elephant, the boy. I'm kidding. They're gonna walk on the beach now.
Cooey cat. Oh, cooey cat.
Okay.
It's just a cooey cat.
Yeah, and there's a cooey cat.
It's so cooey.
Yeah, and that's random, and that's it for random items. Random items with me.
And randomness. Wait, not random. Randomness is Maylene.
Make fun of me.
Hello. Random.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Curly curls in the hurls. I like to do burrows. Okay, bye. Let's say bye, Andy.
Bye.
Bye.